2026, Nissan did the unthinkable. They partnered with a legendary rival to create the ultimate frontier. But this partnership adds one insane new feature that changes everything. Who is the secret partner and what did they build? The answer is a game changer for off-roading. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Digital Auto Addict 99. Today, we are looking at a truck that is leveling up in a big way. It's taking its rugged foundation and adding a dose of high-performance engineering from a very unexpected place. This is the 2026 Nissan Frontier. So what are the big changes for 2026? Let's dive into the updates. Based on official announcements from Nissan, the 2026 Frontier builds on its recent redesign with sharper looks and more tech. The big visual news is the available Dark Armor package, which adds aggressive blacked-out trim, a new sport bar, and rugged new step rails for a more menacing look. Inside, Nissan has confirmed that the Pro grades now get more standard comfort features, including a heated steering wheel and remote start. The most significant tech update, however, is a newly available drive mode selector. This allows the driver to choose between 5 settings, like rock, sand, and mud, to perfectly tailor the truck's performance to the conditions, a feature previously missing from the Frontier. But what about the specs? Is there any change to the powertrain? Under the hood, official specs show the 2026 Frontier continues with its excellent 3.8-liter V6 engine, producing a powerful 310 horsepower, or around 231 kilowatts, and 281 pound-feet of torque, or approximately 381 newton-meters. This is still paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. While the engine remains, the big performance news is all about the suspension. All right, a tougher truck with new tech is great. So what will it cost, and who is that secret partner? The 2026 Nissan Frontier is arriving in dealerships now. Official pricing starts at around $32,000 USD for the base model. And that brings us to the unthinkable partnership. The legendary rival is Roush Performance, a brand famous for tuning Ford trucks. For 2026, they are offering an exclusive Frontier Pro 4XR. This package includes a Roush X Öhlins 2.0 off-road suspension system with a 2-inch lift, high-performance shocks, and upgraded control arms. It's a hardcore, factory-approved setup that gives the Frontier an insane new level of off-road capability, ready to take on the toughest trails right from the showroom. It's a partnership nobody saw coming. So the 2026 Nissan Frontier is smarter, tougher, and now, with a little help from a rival, more capable than ever before. This new partnership proves that Nissan is serious about making the Frontier a true off-road weapon. But what do you think? Is this Roush partnership a brilliant move? Let me know your honest opinion in the comments below. thank you for fueling your passion with Digital Auto Addict 99. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.